Good morning, students. We can continue the exercise 8.1. Next question number 8. ABCD is a rectangle. So, ABCD is a rectangle that is which is given in the question. Which diagonal AC bisect angle A. So, this diagonal AC is bisecting angle A means it is dividing this angle A into two equal parts. That means DAC is equal to BAC, right? And again, as well as angle C. So this diagonal AC is again dividing the angle C also into two equal parts. So we can write DCA is equal to BCA also. Okay. Then first we have to prove that ABCD is a square. Second, diagonal BD. BD bisect angle B and angle D also. Okay. These two we have to prove. So first I am taking the triangle ABC and ADC. ABC. This triangle ADC, this upper side triangle. Okay, ABC and ADC. So I am writing in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. In these two triangles, we can equate some angles. Angle BAC is equal to angle DAC, which is given in the question. These two angles are equal, correct? So I am equating those angles. Angle BAC is equal to angle DAC, which is given in the question. That is the reason you should write here given. Okay. Next, these two angles are also equal. So we can equate angle BCA. Angle BCA is equal to angle DCA. This angle DCA. This is also given in the question. That is the reason. And any common side here? Yes, AC is the common side in both triangle. AC here, AC here. So AC is equal to AC. What is the reason? Which is common side for both both triangle. So angle side. So by using ASA criteria, we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. What is the reason? By using ASA criteria. So if these two triangles ABC and ADC are, these two triangles are congruent, then we can equate their corresponding sides. So I am equating their corresponding sides AB and AD. So we can write AB is equal to AD. But actually it is given that this is rectangle, right? From here we can equate AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD. Like that we can equate BC is equal to DC. BC last two is equal to last two. So BC is equal to DC. Okay, but it is given that it is a rectangle, correct? Rectangle means opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to, we can write here CD, and here BC is equal to what? AD. So if we are comparing all these equations, AB is equal to AD. AD is equal to BC. So both are equal to AD. So we can equate AB is equal to AD is equal to what is here? BC. And what is BC? BC also is equal to, which is equal to DC. Now we got all the four sides are equal. So if all the four sides are equal, we can write hence ABCD is a square. Therefore, ABCD is a square. Okay. Next we have to prove that BD is bisecting angle D and angle B also. Okay. So next I am taking the triangle ABD, the left hand side triangle ABD and CBD. These two triangles I am taking. In triangle ABD and triangle CDB, we can write here, we can equate the sides AD and CD. AD is equal to CD, correct? Because we already proved here AD is equal to CD. So I am writing AD is equal to CD, sides of square. Again AB is equal to, again this is equal to AB also is equal to CD, or AB is equal to, we can equate here AB is equal to BC. So I am equating AB also is equal to BC. These two are also sides of a square. So reason both of the answers which is equal to side of square. Any common side is here? Yes, BD is the common side. So BD is equal to BD. So we can equate two sides each other because the sides of squares are equal. We can equate any other side with AD because all the sides are equal, right? And again BD is the common side, so we can write by using SSS criteria. We can write triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB by using which criteria? SSS criteria. So if these two triangles ABD, this one, and CDB, these two triangles are equal, then we can equate their corresponding part. Which are the corresponding angles here? Angle ABD is equal to angle CBD. So we can equate here angle ABD is equal to CBD. Angle ABD is equal to angle CBD. Again we can equate these two angles also. Angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to angle CDB. Angle CDB by using which one? CP, CT, corresponding part of congruent triangle are equal. So if the angles are equal means ABD is equal to CBD. ABD, this one is equal to CBD. First we got this one. These two angles are equal. Again we got ADB. ADB is equal to CDB. This angle is equal to this one. These two angles are also equal. So that means the line BD is bisecting angle D and angle B. So we can write hence diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. This one we have to prove second. Proof over.